Just cruising around Pine Mountain here. What happened?
It's definitely not 5.
What?
Because the battery's at 2 bars.
Right now it is? What?
When I was just cruising, it was at 2 bars.
Are you gonna power?
Yeah.
I didn't bring a strap. I got my belt. Whatever. We're gonna cruise it. Let's hit it. Yeah, I had 85 a little bit ago. And that's probably what's happening. When he's wide open on the road, he looks down and it shows 2 bars. Yeah, there we go. This little side trail's sick right there. I'm gonna have to jump up into it here in a second. I wonder if there's one on this side. All right, boys. Looks like we're in the gate. We're just past the sheriff on the road. But, well, he didn't turn around, I don't think. We're not gonna wait for him though. Let's hit it. Oh, had to lay the bike down. The 2TO's down almost 1 bar, and we're still pushing. So we might have to link up the belts and the and the locks here on the handlebars and tow it back. We'll see though. Chances are, but when he sits still, it has 3 bars, so. There's a sick viewpoint, little campsite right up here. I've always wanted to camp at it, but I end up always staying at the buddy's cabin right at the base of the mountain. It's usually a crew, and I'd rather hang out with the crew than camp by myself, but one of these days, I will camp up here. Yeah, one of these zones is where I laid down the Tenere for the first time. I bought it here in town in Bend, Oregon, and then installed the crash bars in the parking lot that I ordered online and had in the car, and then drove it right up this mountain. I was like, let's see if this thing can adventure. And yeah, I made it. Tires sucked, but I made it. And I did lay it down at like walking speed. The soft sand just ate up my front tire, one of these corners, but I don't think we passed it yet. This 2TO is just a machine. Go Toots. Yeah, lost the 3-inch drone this morning, flying up and down the mountain. Little FPV race drone. Shit, some bitch had like $300-400 worth of shit on it. But you know, what are you gonna do? Brand new battery, had the second flight. Well, I searched for like 2 hours. Little grid pattern, couldn't find it. Gave up.
Go to the right, right?
Yeah. Little campsites. This is the one I speak of that I haven't camped at yet, because I'm always camping at the homie's cabin at the base of this mountain. But I'll tell you what, this little campsite is not bad, friends. Not bad at all. Look at this. Look at this. You kidding me? Huh? Little fire pit. Look at the view. Where's there a better little campsite, guys? You tell me, boys, where is there a better campsite? YouTube, what's good? Oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see in camera. I'll try to do the zoom in aspect thing, but just volcanic mountain ranges covered in snow everywhere. Some fires burning out there. Nasty. All right, boys. I'm thinking the 2TO made it. We got literally a couple hundo feet and we're at the summit. I mean, I don't think we're gonna go to the flag. That's like a hiking trail. We'll go just right up here. There's some hang gliders up here, supposed to be flying, so we'll go see what's good. They might already have launched, we believe. Oh, no, not yet. We see someone. Cool. Sweet. We're gonna catch some hang glider footy. Epic. Come across these hang glider guys. About to shred. We'll get some footy. Load my Sur-Ron in the back. Be sick. Well, boys, we're here on the summit. We got the homies about to launch some hang gliders. It should be pretty wild. We got Gabe with the Neo, the DJI Neo. Here we go. He's gonna be pulling right. Be safe, have fun. Here's the little Neo. Here we go, boys. Hang number 2. Have fun. Making it look easy. Look at that thing. He leans. You can see the flaps like coming up on the top of the wing. He's probably too far to see now in this camera, but wild. Yeah, boys. Just another day at Pine Mountain. 2TO made it to the summit. Hang gliders launching. Now I'm gonna drive their Tundra down to the landing zone. There's like an airstrip down the way, down the road over here. I can't quite see it from here, but and then pull the Sur-Ron out the back and ride it back to camp. Sick session. Well, boys, made it to the airstrip to drop off this truck. Got to pull the Sur-Ron out and head back to the homie's cabin, pack up, and drive home 3-4 hours. See you in the next one. So back to camp. Pack up. Woo! We out here. Woohoo! That stuff makes it tough to see. How long you guys been here?
We got here 3 minutes ago, and his bike is almost done. Close, bro. He's like, oop, 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 oop. Let's go now. We came up to this road right here.
All right, boys, just finished epic little ride on the e-bikes. Now we're just gonna have a little praise for the Lord and make some food.